Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select Times New Roman font in Microsoft Word Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the Word application on my mobile phone. I'm going to go to my Microsoft folder and I'm going to open it. And wait guys, I'm going to create new Word document. So I'm going to click on Word and I'm going to select blank document. Alright, hold on, it's still loading. Okay, and wait guys, I'm going to view it in light theme. I'm going to click on switch to light background. Okay, and here I'm going to type in Times New Roman like this. And if we want to change the font to Times New Roman, we can select the text like this, and then you're going to click on this icon and go to this menu, and you will be able to get or select Times New Roman here. You just need to scroll down until you find the Times New Roman. I'm going to keep scrolling down until I find it. Wait. Okay, this is the Times New Roman font, and we can click on it to change the font. Okay, and now the font has been changed to Times New Roman. Or actually, before you add the text, you can change the font first. Just go to the font menu here, and then you can select Times New Roman. And after you have selected the Times New Roman font, you will be able to type in this font, just like this. Okay, that's easy, right? Either you add the tags first or you select the font first. If you have added the tags, it means that you need to select the tags before you apply the Times New Roman. But if you want to select the Times New Roman before the you type tags, you can go to the font menu. You can go to the font menu and select Times New Roman. Okay, and that's all the way to select Times New Roman in Word Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video, guys.